Hey everyone, Elle here from Elle Harrison Design. I'm a Squarespace designer and I do work a lot with natural health practitioners and therefore with SimpleClinic as well on the websites that I design for my clients. So I just wanted to quickly pop in here and clear up a little bit of a misconception about being able to link Squarespace through to SimpleClinic. So previously you may have had the SimpleClinic calendar actually embedded on a page of your website. Now it's required to change the buttons where it says book your appointment to actually go to the URL link that SimpleClinic has provided you recently. So I'm just going to demonstrate how to do that now. The first point that you want to change it is in obviously the top heading Book Now button. If you don't have this button on your website already, I highly suggest doing it, and to do that you just say add element. So click on here and the link button and change it from the page that you have on your website into this link that SimpleClinic has provided. The next stage that you'll need to do is actually go through each of the pages that's on your website and change any of the call to actions to book an appointment to that URL link as well. So each one as you go through the website. So like if I've got one here, then I would add it in here and so on. So just making sure you're being really thorough. Check if you've got any sort of accordions where the maybe frequently asked questions that you've got in hyperlinks. The other place that you would need to change it is possibly your blog posts and also your footer as well. The next stage of changing over to SimpleClinic would be going to your actual appointment page. Now I don't have one on this website because it's not relevant for this client now, but if you've had a Book Now actual page, go to that page and change the copywriting to say click this link to book an appointment. And that way, if your book an appointment page comes up in any of the search results or anywhere else that you've previously shared that page, it won't, it'll still direct, or it'll still have the link to direct to SimpleClinic rather than them getting lost on that page because the embed's not there anymore. So 3 places to do it: the header of your website, throughout each page, including your blogs, and then change it actually on your book an appointment page if you had one previously. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you need help doing this, please yell out. I have a team of designers that can jump in and do it really quickly for you so it's up and running straight away. And if not, I will talk to you soon.